Today at the supermarket, Leo and his parents are waiting at the checkout counter.
Oh,
But
no!
suddenly, Leo spots a sneaky stranger trying to steal the cashier's phone. He quickly shouts for help and tells his dad to call the police. Will the police catch the thief in time? Let's watch the story and find out.
Hello, family. Did you find everything you need today?
We also got some delicious snacks for the weekend.
That sounds wonderful. Let me scan your items now. The total is $45.50.
Here is my credit card. Thank you very much.
I will print your receipt in just a moment.
Wow! Look at that bright orange phone over there. Is that the brand new iPhone 17, miss?
Yes, it is. I just bought it yesterday afternoon. Thank you. Oh, wait, this barcode is not working.
Hey, Lily. What is that tall man doing there?
I do not know. He is walking very quietly.
Oh, no! Look! He is reaching for the counter.
He is taking the beautiful orange phone away.
Mom! Dad! Look quickly! That man is a thief!
Oh my goodness! What in the world is happening?
Hey, you! Stop right there. Do not move.
Put that orange phone down on the table now.
Oh no, they saw me. I have to escape. Do not panic. I am calling the police immediately. He stole an orange phone. He is running away.
Listen, everyone! I can hear the loud police sirens! Look! 2 police officers are blocking the main door.
Stop right there. Put your hands in the air.
Okay. I give up. Please don't shoot. Don't shoot. Please.
I will put the phone down on the floor. Drop the orange phone on the floor very slowly.
You are under arrest for stealing this phone.
Let us go to the police station now.
Keep moving. Let's go. Okay, I'm going. Just calm down. Is this your orange phone, miss? Here you go.
Oh, yes it is. Thank you, officer.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you so much, officer. I was terrified.
You should thank this brave little boy standing here. He saw the thief and alerted his parents.
Wow. Thank you so much. You did it. That was amazing. My little hero.
Yeah.
You are very welcome, miss. Glad to help.
We are incredibly proud of you.
Sweet boy.
You did great today, son.
Thanks, Dad.
All right, Let's pay for this and head home. Always call the police for help. You need to be aware of your surroundings in dangerous situations.
Bye. See ya.
Oh, yes, please, Mom. I really want to see the new toys.
Okay, we can look at the toys for a few minutes.
But remember, our rule. We are not buying everything today.
Thank you, Dad. I just want to look around the aisles. Wow! Look at this huge red supercar on the top shelf.
It is so beautiful, shiny, and looks very fast.
I really want this amazing car, Dad. Can we buy it, please?
Let's see. It does look pretty neat.
Let me see the price tag on the bottom of the box, Leo. Okay, I see it.
Oh my goodness. $100? That is a lot of money.
But I really love it, Mom. It is the coolest car ever.
But this red car costs way too much money for today.
We cannot spend $100 on a single toy right now.
Oh,
I know you really want it, son, but it's just not possible.
okay.
It is simply too expensive for our family budget.
Please, Dad. I promise to be a very good boy at home. I will even clean my messy room every single day. Oh, man. I am so sad and disappointed right now. Hey, Leo, come over here quickly and look at this shelf. Ha! What is it, Lily? I just want my big red supercar.
Look at this amazing race car building set in this green box. You can build the race car all by yourself. Is that not cool? Let me see that box. Wow, it has so many small, colorful pieces. I know, right? Yes. And we can sit on the floor and play together later.
That is a wonderful idea, Lily. Let me check the price tag here. We can definitely get this one.
This building set is only $15. That is a great price.
That is very cheap. We can definitely afford to buy this one today.
See, Leo? It is much cheaper, and it will be more fun. You are absolutely right, Lily. Building it together sounds very exciting to me. I will go put the big red supercar back on the high shelf. Here is the race car building set, Dad. I choose this one.
Thank you, Leo. You made a very smart choice at the supermarket today.
You are such a wonderful and caring big sister, Lily.
We are incredibly proud of both of you for being so good today.
Let us go to the cashier, pay for this toy, and get some ice cream.
Yay! Ice cream!
I cannot wait. Whoa, whoa. Yeah.
To build my brand new race car.
always remember to make smart choices. Foyan.
Please click the like button and subscribe to our amazing channel.
See you in the next. Yeah. This is an exciting English learning story. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.